A very warm good morning to all of you, my dear children. I hope you are all well and taking good care of yourself, isn't it, children? So, children, shall we start our EVS 2 class? Yes. So, children, you remember what we were doing yesterday in the live class? Yes, we were doing the story of the past. And, children, what did we learn in the lesson? Okay, shall we do a quick recap? First, children will learn that we, the human beings, have developed from the apes. We were before apes, and slowly, the apes developed into the present human beings. First thing that we studied, then second we studied, children, that the human beings, okay, that we, our ancestors, before the human beings, they were what? They were hunters and gatherers. You remember the pictures that I showed? Excuse me. They were hunters and gatherers. Hunters, they hunted animals, birds for food, and gatherers, what they did, they used to gather fruits, then they used to gather berries, nuts, then leaves of different trees for food. Okay, so remember two important things we studied in our yesterday class. First, it is we, the human beings, were apes before, and from apes we have developed into the present human beings. Then secondly, the human beings, the early human beings, they were hunters and gatherers. Okay, children, I showed you some pictures also, if you remember, in yesterday's live class. Okay, so shall we proceed with the lesson? So as I tell you always, children, all of you take out your textbook and take out your second page. We will proceed with the lesson. So children, be ready with your textbook. Be ready with the second page of this chapter, lesson number 4. Okay, and let's see what is there. A very interesting topic is there, which is stone tools. And what is given? Stone tools. Tools means, children, instruments. Okay, like we have hammer, scissor, okay, knife. All these are tools which help the human beings in many ways. And you know, these tools or instruments were also there with the early humans. The early humans also used these two stone tools, these tools. Okay, but there is a difference. Okay, now we use tools, instruments made of iron, made of copper, bronze, different types of metals. But before, the early human beings, what they used to do, they used to have tools made of stone to help them in their various works. So let's see what are the various types of stone tools and how they were used by the various human beings. First, it's given large and heavy stones. Okay, large and heavy stone. So before, the early human beings, they only used stone for various purposes. Large and heavy stones to kill animals for food, protect themselves from animals. Okay, so large and heavy stones were used to kill animals for food, protect themselves from animals. Then small sharp stones cut fruit and skins of animals. Small stone tools, okay, were used for cutting fruits and skins of animals. Then we have, children, the large and flat stones. Okay, the long and flat stones. What is this? Long and flat stones are necessary to dig the earth, okay, to dig the ground. Then sharp stones called scrapers. Why? This is used to clean the skins of animals. So different types of, children, tools were used. Stones were of different sizes, and they were cut into different sizes. Different stones were cut into different sizes, different shapes, for the various purposes of the early human beings. And these are the various uses as I have shown. So let me show, children, the various pictures. Okay, now children, you can see a picture of these stone tools. Okay, you can see here, children, small stone tools. Just one second. You can see here, children, pointed stone tools, then small stone tools, various big stone tools. Okay, all now you can see these all are tools used by the early human beings, and you can see the shapes are different, the sizes are different, but one thing is common is that they are all made of stone. Okay, children? Okay, so shall we proceed? Let's proceed with the lesson. Okay, what is there, children? There it's given. Now we'll study about the life of early human beings. Okay, how were their lives of the early human beings? It's given, children. Early human beings lived in groups. They used leaves and animal skin to cover themselves. Remember, they didn't wear clothes like we wear today. What did they wear? Leaves and animal skins to cover themselves. They used the parts of the animals that they hunted in different ways. Okay, here children will study about three important things. First, they lived in groups. Second, they used leaves and animal skins to cover themselves. And third, they used the parts of the animals that they hunted in different ways. Okay, one thing I want to tell you, that human beings never lived alone. Like we always live in a society, in a neighbor. Before also, early human beings also, they used to live in groups. Then second thing, what did they use? They used leaves and animal skin to cover themselves. They didn't have clothes like we have today. Okay, like silk clothes, cotton clothes, woolen clothes. They didn't have clothes. They used leaves and animal skins to cover themselves. And third point, they used the parts of the animals. Okay, the parts of the animal, the various parts of the animals. Like after killing the animals, they used the teeth of the animal, the bones of the animals, the nails of the animals in different ways. And what are the different ways? We'll study. First, let's see here, children, you can see a picture of early woman and a man. Okay, and what they are wearing? They are wearing the skin of an animal, and this skin might be of a giraffe. Okay, this skin, it seems that this is the skin of a giraffe. Okay, so this woman and man is a early human being, and they are wearing the skin of an animal. Some more pictures are there. You can see these all early human beings, they are wearing the skin of animals. Okay, and before they used to do like that, and they used to wear either leaves of trees or skin of animals. Okay, both men and women. Then also I told you they use the different parts of the animals hunted. The animals that were hunted, they used it for different purposes. Now you can see these seems to be the teeth of the animal, and they have used as a jewelry. Okay, children, they have used as a jewelry. They wear it as a necklace around their neck. Okay, one more I will show you. Now these are very big bones. Okay, and these bones are maybe used by the early human beings as necklace. Okay, they use it for jewelry. And I told you, they also, the early human beings, they lived in groups. So here you can see, children, they all are living in groups. Okay, so what are the parts of the animals and their uses? Children, you can see here, the bone, they use it for tools, weapons and jewelry, meat for food, and skin for clothes. So parts of the animals, after they hunted the animals, what did they use? After killing the animal, the bone, they use it for tools, weapons and jewelry. Meat they used to eat for food, and skin they used to use it for clothes. So children, shall we do a quick recap? Okay, till here we'll stop and we'll just do a recap. What did we study, children, today? Today we studied some very interesting things, and that is the early human beings, they used stone tools. Okay, tools made of stone. Then they used these stone tools for various purposes. Then how was the life of early human beings? They lived in groups. They used leaves and animal skin to cover themselves, and they used the parts of the animals that they hunted in different ways. I have shown you the picture. You can see here they wore skins of the animals, the early human beings. Then they used the various parts of the animals for making necklace, jewelry. They also use it for tools, for making tools. Okay, and here you can see a picture of the early human beings living in groups. And then we studied about the parts of the animal. They use it for various purposes. Bone, they use it for tools, weapons, jewelry. Meat for food, and skin for clothes. So children, we shall stop till here. You just give a reading of what I have taught you. I'll be uploading the homework in the Google Classroom. Please, all of you, register yourself. Please, all of you, sign up, and whatever homework today I'll be giving you, you please, all of you, upload it in the Google Classroom. So children, till we meet, all of you, take care and have a good day. Okay children, bye bye.